Self class is spoken English. Future indefinite tense. Interrogative 100 sentences. अंत में गा, गे, गी जैसे खाएगा, खेलेगी, करेंगे आता है. Will बटा shall plus sub plus we एक plus ob. Will you go to school tomorrow? Will you help me today? Will you finish your work? Will you call me later? Will you come here again? Will I pass the exam? Will I get a job? Will I learn English well? Will I succeed in life? Will I make a mistake? Will he come on time? Will he complete the task? Will he help you? Will he join the class? Will he start the work? Will she cook food today? Will she do her homework? Will she pass the exam? Will she call you? Will she attend the meeting? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it work properly? Will it stop raining? Will it become easy? Will it improve soon? Will we go on a trip? Will we complete the project? Will we win the match? Will we learn this lesson? Will we make a plan? Will they come tomorrow? Will they finish their work? Will they help us? Will they join the party? Will they solve the problem? Will you buy a new phone? Will you open the door? Will you close the window? Will you send the message? Will you receive my call? Will he change his decision? Will she learn driving? Will it affect you? Will we discuss this topic? 45. Will they accept the offer? 46. Will you check the answer? 47. Will you prepare for the exam? Will you fill the form? Will you submit the file? Will you join the class? Will he explain the rule? Will she forget my name? Will it help you? Will we follow the rules? Will they break the record? Will you meet the teacher? Will you practice speaking? Will you improve your English? Will you remember the lesson? Will you try again? Will he repair the bike? Will she wash the clothes? Will it end soon? Will we make progress? Will they reach safely? Will you take breakfast? Will you drink water? Will you change your dress? Will you lock the door? Will you attend the class? Will he lose his bag? Will she find the key? Will it become difficult? Will we understand everything? Will they learn the lesson? Will you follow my advice? Will you gain confidence? Will you achieve your goal? Will you solve the question? Will you face any problem? Will he make a promise? Will she tell the answer? Will it support us? Will we do our duty? Will they support you? Will you play cricket tomorrow? Will you read the newspaper? Will you hear the news? Will you attend the meeting? Will you miss the bus? Will he call you? Will she invite you? Will it start on time? Will we plan the trip? Will they enjoy the party? Will you learn something new? Will you feel happy tomorrow? Will you help anyone? Will you work hard? Will you sleep well tonight?